Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan and today I'm going to make butter chicken and I'm sure it's everyone's favorite. So let's get started. So here I've taken 450 grams of boneless chicken. This is the breast piece. So what I'll do is I'll just cut the chicken into slices. Okay, just make sure that you don't make thinner slices. So this will help the chicken to cook fast. Anyways, breast doesn't take much time to cook. But the important thing is the masala that we'll be adding in should seep into the chicken because it will give you a nice flavor. So here is little salt. Make sure that you don't add too much salt. We can always adjust the salt later. And here I'll be adding in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, red Kashmiri chili powder, 2 teaspoons, half teaspoon of jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and I'll just add a little bit of white pepper powder, followed by kasuri methi, and I'll squeeze in a lime. Okay, so we've just mixed it well with our hands, you can see it, and now we will let it marinate for a good 3 to 4 hours. You can also marinate it overnight. That will give you a nice juicy flavor. The flavors will seep into the chicken. So make sure that you marinate this well. Alright, and now let's make the base of the butter chicken, which is the smooth gravy. Okay, so for this I will take around 2 tablespoons of butter, in which I'll just mix a little oil. I'll put the flame low. I don't want the butter to burn. Now once the butter and the oil is getting hot, I'll be adding in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, followed by onion. So I've taken here 2 medium-sized onion. I've sliced it. You can even chop it roughly because anyways we are going to grind this. I'll put the flame high. I'll start frying the onion. Okay, now make sure here you don't turn the onions brown. Just fry it on high flame. Here I'll add in some more butter. Now don't worry about the butter because the name is butter chicken, so you need more butter in this recipe. Once you see that the onion is trying to change its color, add in tomatoes. Now I've taken here 3 big sized tomato. I've just chopped them roughly. Just give it a mix. Here I'll add in 7 to 8 garlic cloves. Now these are small ones. 3 Kashmiri chilies. Okay, I have de-seeded them. Now this will give a nice color. I've put the flame low. I'll add in red Kashmiri chili powder, around 2 teaspoons, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. I've added half teaspoon of cumin powder as well, and salt to taste. Give it a mix. I'll also be adding some cashew nuts. Okay, and I'll add in 1 cup of warm water. And now we will let it simmer for a good 10 to 15 minutes on medium-low flame. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just move this into another flame there, because now we'll start frying the chicken. 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil just to fry the chicken. Okay, now I'll put the flame low and I'll start dropping this chicken. Alright, so I've put the flame high. Now the chicken will not take much time to cook. Alright, and now let me check if the gravy is ready. Okay, yes, as you can see this. So this is the stage till when you need to cook this. It has to be a little mushy. Now I'll just cook this for another 5 minutes on high flame and I'll turn this off. And now Okay, so we'll give a nice smoke to get that tandoori flavor. And we'll keep this aside. Okay, and now I'll blend this into a smooth paste. As you can see, the smoke has settled. We'll start shredding this chicken. Okay, as you can see, I've just ground this into a smooth paste. Okay, now in the last step, I'll just add in butter, a generous amount of butter. Okay, once you've added the butter, with the help of a strainer, we'll remove all the mixture and we will take the nice smooth paste. Okay, and this is what we need. Okay, now make sure that you take all the masala from the mixer, add some water. Here I'll be adding around 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. And now I'll transfer this chicken. Add some fresh cream. Add some kasuri methi. Okay, here I'll just check for salt and all the spices. It's tasting too good. Okay, here I'll just add in half teaspoon of sugar, just for the balance in all the flavor. Okay, now I'll just let it simmer for a while. So around 6 to 7 minutes, I'll just let it simmer. I'll put the flame low. Alright, that's it. It's been 6 to 7 minutes that I let it simmer and our butter chicken is ready. I'll put the flame off. Alright guys, that's it. It was that simple to make this butter chicken. Everyone has their own style. This was mine. This is how I make butter chicken. Let me know in the comments below how you like this recipe, how you like this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Just few things in mind. Just make sure that the tomato puree that you're making, make sure that you cook the tomato well. Let it simmer for good 10 to 15 or 20 minutes on low flame so that you get rid of the raw taste of the tomato. And second thing is, don't be stingy on the butter and the cream, because that will make your butter chicken creamy and it will give you a nice taste. Okay, anyways, do try this out at home. Share this video with your friends and family, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. Till then, my name is Stan. I will see you next time with a new recipe, with a new video. Bye bye.